Hey, I'm very excited because today, now, we're going to start the absolute masterclass for C# and you're going to learn everything from A to Z. You will be able to learn programming, to learn coding, and you will be able to do great stuff for everything you might want it in your job. You will be able to apply all this knowledge and create beautiful Windows projects. So let's start right now with creating a Windows Forms application project. So after installing Windows Visual Studio, we're going to show how we can create the first Windows Forms application project. On the menu bar, choose File, New Project, and the dialog box should look like this. So you will see that in the left side you will have the programming language here. So you can start coding with Visual C# or with Visual Basic or with Visual C++, and then you should so first you choose the programming language and then you should choose the project template. Actually, the first project would be Windows Forms application. This is actually what are most of the programs in Windows programming operating system. Actually, it means that you will have an executable file that when someone clicks on this file, then a Windows program will open in his computer. So as you can see here, Windows Forms application, actually the type is Visual C# and actually a project for creating an application with a Windows Forms user interface. So after choosing the programming language and the project template, you should enter here the name of your project, the location where do you want to store this project, and actually the solution's name. You can set this name and this the same. This means that we will have a single project. If later you want to have a huge project with many sub-projects, you could name something your project, and the solution name is where is your sub-project, how will be named your sub-project. So let's start with your IDE window. You will see that after clicking OK, you will have the main window, and here you will have your Solution Explorer. Usually it's in the right side.